Scrolling through my cell phone for the 20th time today, reading the text you sent me again. Don't memorize it anyway. Was an afternoon in December when it reminded you of the day when we bumped into each other. But you didn't say hi 'cause I looked away, and maybe that was the biggest mistake of my life. And maybe I have been moving